All right, so everyone, Babachi is looking for fix her knees and shoulder problem. Tell me, what brought you in the office?
Knee pain primarily, a little bit of back pain, but not too bad on my back. Knee pain, which doesn't allow me to get sleep, a full night's rest, does not allow me to walk very far. I'd like to be able to play pickleball again, but don't know if that's possible.
Oh, we can make it happen. So how long have you had this knee pain?
Knee pain, about 2015. I had what they thought was a torn meniscus. It did heal, so I don't know for sure if I had. That was in the left knee. And then from time to time I would have knee pain. I went through what they call hyalgin or chicken juice shots through orthopedic care. About 30 shots in the left knee.
Wow.
And about 20 in the right knee.
So let's see what you can do today. So let me have you stand up. Any pain going up?
Yeah, on the right knee primarily. As I mentioned before, the left knee is not as bad as it usually is.
Okay, so what you're gonna do now, you're gonna squat. Go nice and slow down, weight on your heels. Go as slow as you can.
Okay, it's painful, but that's about it.
Okay, you can come up. Yeah, you can come up. Where did you feel pain?
Everywhere in this knee.
In front of the knee
All
there?
the way
Yep.
around that time.
Okay.
Not too much in the left knee though.
Okay, so let's have you slowly go down the stairs. If you have to hold on,
Yeah.
and go up the stairs.
I'm going to try to go one at a time. No, I don't have confidence in this knee. And that hurts when I do that.
Okay.
And then since I bounce on this knee, that hurts too.
Gotcha.
Now I can do this without any problem, one at a time.
Okay, let's have you go up.
Hurts, but it's I can do it.
Okay, so out of all the things that you did, which one bothered you the most?
Going up those steps.
Going up the stairs.
Yeah.
So what would you say was the pain level from 1 to 10?
7 to 8 on the right knee. 3, 4 on the left knee.
All right, so you ready to start and start feeling better?
I am ready.
All right, let's do it.
Take a deep breath, Barbara, and pull it up. 1, 2,
There you go, Barbara.
4, 5, all the way up. Past your belt line. Good job. Okay, straighten out. We're gonna do 3 on each area, so 2 more here, 2 more up top. I walk up down the hallway a couple times.
Yep.
Just get your bearings.
Oh, slow down. Don't be running too much.
Yeah. Still the right.
How was
A
that?
little unbalanced. Okay. That's why we do a narrow hallway.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
How's that feel?
What do you notice?
Not much knee pain.
So you're feeling, but how'd you feel when you walking?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Walking. I mean, I had no pain walking. I'm a little off balance.
Yep.
Partly because I've been walking so strange that I don't know what
Yep.
it really is like.
Without the braces, yeah. All right, so let me have you stand up. Good, and then slowly step forward. And then separate your legs a little bit. We're gonna do a squat. Remember the squat, nice and slow, go as far as you can.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, this one's gonna be a tougher one. Good, and then come up. Wow, you went very far there.
A lot further.
That was good. How's that feel?
It feels okay. Now, when I got to the very bottom, I had a little pain.
Yep. But you went a lot farther than last
did.
time. Yep. And then come up, and then let's go down the stairs, nice and slow. It takes time for
This part's easy. This is the hard part. Okay. So, going down, still the right knee has some
pain.
Yeah.
Yep.
And some where I don't feel like I can trust it.
Yeah. Yep.
Pushing off is better. You feel stronger pushing off, going up?
Up is much easier.
You were at around a 7 to 8 last time of pain. Where do you are right now?
Maybe a 3.
A 3. That's awesome. That's good.
A little more pain on the right. Not much on the left at all.
Okay, that's good. All right, so you think it's a possible result? How do you feel? You feel
Much better. Right now I'm a little.
Woo.
Yeah.
We'll take a nap. We're gonna do some therapies now. Ready?
Okay, good.